To run keyboard troubleshooter in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then select Troubleshoot. And then click or tap Additional Troubleshooters. And find and fix other problem. Select Keyboard, find and fix problems with your computer's keyboard settings, and then tap Run the troubleshooter. Allow the troubleshooter to run and then answer any question on screen. If you see a message that no change or update were necessary, you can try recovery options or find out more about Outlook error code and upgrade and install error code. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.